Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix blink camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. So in order to fix this issue, you can try some of these methods in which often when adding a camera or the sync module to your blink system, the password is mistyped. So you just have to try carefully re-entering your password. If you continue to receive the incorrect password for your Wi-Fi message, then you just have to try the next step. In the second thing, you just have to make sure that the password are case sensitive. So you need to verify the upper and the lower case requirements that you are entering matches with your Wi-Fi network password. You can even try to forget your Wi-Fi password or the network on your mobile device network settings and then try to reconnect to it. If you can successfully reconnect using this method, your password is correct. You can delete your old Kogiko Wi-Fi network connects and then you can try to fix this issue. So these are some of the methods that might cause the problem of camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. Other than this, what you can do is you can simply try to contact with the Blink customer service. For that, you need to type Blink for home in your search bar and then you just have to simply click on the support option. After that, you just have to contact with the Blink customer service executive and you just have to tell them that you are facing this type of error and they are going to give you the solutions in this regard or of this problem. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.